Hey guys, it's Tina coming to you from my craft room. Thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to do a really quick video because I started something 2 months ago and I haven't talked a lot about it, but because I've been working on my little gift packs today, I thought I would come on and share. So the thing I started a couple months ago was giving out a free card kit when anyone was able to grab the product of the month from my website. And it would just be a free gift from me that I will mail, cover all the materials and the shipping to you, because it's my way of saying thank you for your order, but also wanting you to start playing with that product of the month that you got right away. So the product of the month, as you know, you get it for $5 when your order hits $75, and it's a really, really good deal. And so I have been creating with the March product of the month, as well as the April product of the month. And normally it would just be the month that you spend your $75 and you would get that product of the month for free. But because both are still available and it's a brand new program that I just started, I am going to be offering it for either of the months. So I want to show you guys real quick the cards I made and the products that I use. So what I'm going to do is turn my camera down to my desk and give you guys a close-up look of what you could get in the mail from me and tell you a little bit more about all of the perks. Okay, so let's go down to my desk. Okay, so the March product of the month was this really cute Notes of Spring stamp set that you could get for $5 with a $75 order. You can see I have a couple of extra little guys in here. And I decided to create with it, and I used almost every single stamp in the set for my cards. So when you order $75, you get the product of the month for $5, and at that point, I am going to send you out a little thank you gift, and that thank you gift is going to be a little 4-card workshop that I create that you can then put together using the product of the month that you just got. Aren't these so pretty? Oh goodness. Okay, so this is the little deer and the bunny, and it uses strawberry slush and the strawberry slush ribbon. And then this one's just the little bunny, and you'll recognize this is some of the Peaceful Garden paper DSP that I used. And the sayings that I'm using are just what is found right in the set, including what I've done on the inside. And then here is a third card, especially for you, and that cute little deer. So when I send this card kit out, you will get the ribbon and the little gems so that you can create the cards exactly as I made them. Whoops, sorry. And then here's this one. This is the 4th card, and on this one I used all 3 of the little animal images that come in the set. Now it is a 2-set stamping set, meaning you can stamp the outline of the deer and then you can stamp the inside of the deer over it. Same with all of them, or like I did, you can leave the little duck or goose, whatever you want to call it, white, and then I just use my marker to add a few accents. On this one I did the 2-step stamping on the bunny, but on this one, I did not do the 2-step stamping on the bunny and instead just gave him a little pink in his ears and his nose. So this is a really fun set, and it is still available. And I think it's just because people aren't sure of all of the cute things that you can make with it, but aren't these all adorable? And I wanted to show you the inks that I used. I used the basic gray, and so that's how I stamped the outline of these little guys. And then the bunny, I did the inside in 3rd generation. And then I also used early espresso, and that's what I stamped the deer in, and then I did the inside of his body in 3rd generation. And then I used the old olive, and that's what I used to stamp the background right here. So it looks like the deer is laying in grass. So those are the 3 stamp pads that I used. And then I did use 3 markers. So I used the Timid Tiger light marker for the duck's bill, just like that. And I used the bubble bath light for the bunny's ears. And look at this. Even though I did the 2-step stamping on the ears, I still went over it with the marker and added just a smidge of the pink. And then here it is again. And then I used smoky slate, I believe. Yes, light smoky slate. For coloring a little bit of lines around the little duck's wings and his little tail. Isn't that cute? I even went right over the stamping to add a little bit of orange, the Timid Tiger, to his feet. So these are my March product of the month cards. So everyone that has placed an order and received the product of the month, they are getting this 4-pack of cards from me ready to put together. And then let me show you the April cards. Okay, so the April set is the Eyelet Die. And of course, that's what I don't have in front of me. Let me see if I can grab it. Okay, so it's the die, the Eyelet Blooms Die. So it's a full 4.5 by 6, I believe, die cut that you can use. And so I made 4 cards, and I did something fun. They're fairly simple cards, but they are using new products so that you guys will get to see new products. So the first thing they're using is, let's see. Oh, new ribbon colors. So they're using the new hydrangea hue and the new golden glow ribbon. So that's 2 things that they're using new. And then they're using new ink pad colors as well. So hydrangea, oh, I haven't put that sticker on yet. Hydrangea hue, golden glow, crisp cantaloupe, and petunia pop, which means I'm also using cardstock in those colors, and I am using the golden glow, hydrangea hue. Petunia pop's not new, but I just love it, and it's on the last chance list right now. And I used it in Beach Boardwalk, so I wanted to play with it again. It's been out on my desk. It's so pretty. But so those are the 4 colors I'm using. And then I just thought you guys would have fun seeing that I used a brand new die set. And that's the stamps that go with it. But this is the die set. And it is called Sweet Words and Labels Dies. And you guys, it coordinates with the new Winnie the Pooh set that is coming out. So I'm guessing you've seen it around. It's called Silly Old Bear. And this is one of the sets that you get in the bundle. Let me see, where did I set the dies? I swear I just had everything to show you, but now I don't see them. Unless they've just disappeared under something. Well, at any rate, the cards use these dies. And then this is also a new stamp set called Scalloped Blooms. And I use the sentiments only from this set as well. So this is a bundle you can get. I always recommend getting it as a bundle. I just wanted to use the dies and combine them with the sayings. All right, and so that's going to coordinate with the April product of the month, which is the Eyelet Bloom Dies. So let me show you what I created. We will start with hydrangea hue. Ta-da! So that is the first card I made, and look how pretty that background is with that die. It is so gorgeous. And then this card is so simple because I just used the 2-tone cardstock. So I did build it on a white card base because I wanted to do the 2-tone look. And the 8.5 by 11 cardstock isn't two-tone. So of course I have the 12 by 12 so that I could get both colors. So I built it using the two-tone colors to showcase hydrangea hue. I used the hydrangea hue ink and the ribbon, and then just a pop of white, and then some embellishments. So thank you for being there for me. And I think I stamped "You're a Blessing to Me." That is all from that stamp set. So thank you for being there to me. You're a blessing to me. Then the next card. So I wanted to keep them all looking like this. So pretty simple, showcasing new products. So new dies, new stamps, new ink, paper, and ribbon. So here is in the next card, and it is using Golden Glow, which I have created with this so much. I'm excited for you guys to see my new card workshop that is coming out on May 5th using Fern and Floral. Golden Glow is one of those colors, but look how pretty that looks with the two-tone. I love, you get the base and the shade of one color. And then these little leaves, they're part of this die set. You guys. Okay, so I put all the things in here to show you, and all I could see, I thought this was a clear envelope. I put it in upside down. Ha! So, there's the dies. Okay, so this is the die set. Look how big they are. I've already put them on the magnetic sheet because it's easier to keep them together, and then when I'm ready to use it, I just slide it right out and grab the dies I want, whatever frame, and then I put it back. But one thing I did with these cards was I used a different frame on almost every single card, and I used the leaves as well. So for this card, You're a Blessing to Me, it's in Golden Glow. I just used leftover gems that I had, and I didn't finish the inside, but that's the Golden Glow ribbon as well. And then another new in color coming out is Crisp Cantaloupe, and I decided to combine it with the Golden Glow for one reason. I don't have the Crisp Cantaloupe ribbon yet. I don't know how I did that, but I have only 3 of the colors. So I have the Hydrangea Hue and the Golden Glow and the Peaceful Pine, and I don't have Cantaloupe. So I decided to combine 2 in colors on one card and put this card together. But that is card number 3. And then here is card number 4. And again, it's just because I love Petunia Pop. And it's on clearance, but isn't that pretty? And again, look at that. They all use a different combination of the frames that come in the set. None of them use the same frame. They're all really, really easy. This is scraps of white cardstock I just had in my little scrap bin. So, super fun to make. So I will tell you one more time. When you place a $75 order from my Stampin' Up website, you can add on the product of the month for $5, and I will send you a card packet ready for you to go. You'll have to do your own stamping because I can't send stamped images, and you'll use your whatever the product of the month is. You'll use it on that card. I will mail it to you for free. I also want you to know that at a $75 order, that means you've already qualified to come to my monthly Palooza event. It's like a monthly retreat. We do these craft retreats every month, and with a $50 order, you're automatically invited to that event, and we teach 2 different scrapbooking classes, which means you would leave with 8 + 6, 14 scrapbook layouts done, plus 2 card classes, or a card class and a fun fold card class, or a card class and a 3D item. It doesn't matter. So at $50, you are automatically invited to the Palooza, but at $75, when you order the product of the month, you're going to get this from me. And then at $100, I'm also going to throw in a brand new pack of embellishments for you guys, and it's most likely going to be something that just came out that is brand new. So it's called Tina's Happy Mail Perks Program. You can read about it on my website. If you want to, I will link it below in the description. But really, I was excited after working on these cards. They were really, really fun. I was just watching a movie. Okay, I was watching Trolls. I love Trolls. It's a very fun movie if you haven't seen it, with good music. So today I was watching Trolls and finishing up all of my packets to give away to everyone. And I thought, you know, I need to be better at coming on to YouTube and talking about them and sharing them with you guys, because sometimes I'm just not good at showing you everything I got. But any of these could be yours for free with your order. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know which set you liked more. If you like Notes of Spring, which are these pretty cards, or if you like what I did with the Eyelet Blooms and the new Sweet Words and Label dies that go with the Winnie the Pooh set. And I shouldn't call it the Winnie the Pooh set because it's actually called Silly Old Bear. So with the Silly Old Bear set, so let me know in the comments, two things. One, if you're catching the replay, and two, which of these two sets you like more, and if you have it, if you've played with either of them. Okay? All right, have a good night, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.